So if someone has shared out HandBrake presets with you, then you can go ahead and import it out easily in HandBrake. So for that, I'm just going to go around over here and let me just cancel out right here and open up my HandBrake. And now in order to go ahead and import out presets in HandBrake, you can go around over here onto presets and then go to manage presets. So now what you can do right here is go around over here onto options, and here you can see that import presets from file is an option right here. So you can simply go ahead and select that out, and then you can go ahead and select out the preset, which may be in JSON or plist format. So I have these two presets right here. So let's just go to preset collection and open it out. And it says this will actually override this out right here. So let's press OK right here because these are the presets that I have, which I already have present. Let me just go ahead and delete these preset out so that you can see it being imported. So under custom presets, you don't have anything now. So if I were to go around onto import presets, then I can go ahead and select it and open it right here just like this, and under the custom presets. So let's just go ahead and import out presets right here and then press OK right here. Then what happens is that it goes ahead and then under custom presets, you can see that they have been imported just like this, that you can go ahead and utilize while converting out videos as needed. And that is how you can import out HandBrake presets as you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.